Hello everyone, Bruce here. Welcome to this first raw video. I hope you will enjoy it. I will explain to you today the realization I made in 2026 at the beginning that has completely improved my trading, that has exploded my results, but also a realization that has improved in my life a lot, that can really help your progress in trading. So let's get right into it. I want to find a place where I can put my phone so I can film myself. Just before, I want to show you the villa I'm in right now. Look at this view, guys. It's fucking crazy. I took this villa for 1 week. I'm in North Bangkok. I wanted to get a bit of nature before going back to France to see my family. And then during the summer, I will go to Hawaii and I will show you the whole trip. I will show you some vlog too. I hope you guys saw the first vlog I did. It was a pretty good vlog in Bangkok. So yeah, let's get right into it. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of my lifestyle and more of my trading. And let's go. Okay, perfect. So I have my note right here with me so I can explain you the best as I can my realization. Just before, I wanted to explain you the problem that I had that has made me find this realization. The problem I had, and I think most of you guys will recognize yourself in this video, I was complexifying too much my trading. I was always waiting for the perfect setup, the perfect confluences. I wanted 100% confluences in my bias, in my direction, and every time I was missing the entry. Every time I had a target, I had a swing point in target, and price was going into this target without me. And this has been my problem for the past year. I have a good edge, I'm making good money with my trading, but I wanted to improve a lot. And so I tried to find interview about the top one prop firm trader, and I found out this. I found out that those guys have the same technical level as me, have pretty much the same strategy, but when I saw their setup, I was like, oh yeah, but right here you have a bullish confluences, so you can take the short. But who am I to say that? Because the guy in front of me is making 1 million a month. And that's how I found out that I was waiting for the perfect setup rather than just trusting my bias and trusting the conviction I had on the bias. This is what I wanted to share with you guys today. When I had this realization at the beginning of 2026, I was like, okay, this relates to my trading, but this specific problem also relates to my whole life. This relates to the gym, this relates to my relation, this relates to the content I'm doing. Like, as you can see right now, I'm not asking myself too much question, okay? If I was like, I want the perfect video, I wouldn't even be recording right now because, as you might have seen, I'm making, I think, grammar mistake because I'm French, so maybe my grammar is not that good. But if I wanted perfection, I wouldn't be making this video that can help me provide value to you. And what am I doing right now? I'm executing. The same thing as you have to do in your trading. You have to execute, even if it's not perfect. Then you will get data and you will improve from your data. So that's the same thing with the gym. If you overcomplexify your training, overcomplexifying your diet, you will never follow a good diet and you will never get big. That's the same thing. You can see people at the gym, science-based, making too many complications on their training. I saw a guy do like clean and flap, where they are putting strap below the elbow and trying to really contract the muscle. But all those exercises are bullshit. If you really listen to the big guy, even if you see Arnold Schwarzenegger training, you will see that they don't complexify too much. They are just executing, and you have to do the same thing in your trading. So just before ending this video, I want to show you a real example so you really understand my point. So we will go on the chart and I will show you a setup that I took yesterday, and so you can understand my point. So this is a short I took yesterday on the Nasdaq, and you will see that even you will be amazed how simple it is. As you can see right here, my entry is just an expansion candle. Look, right here at 7:30 a.m., I had an expansion candle, stop loss above the high and 2R ratio, okay? My entries are as simple as that. I just want to see price push towards my target, and then I directly enter my trade, okay? And right here, I could have hesitated on this entry because I had an IFVG on the 1 hour time frame. And as you know, IFVG is a sign of retracement. It's a bullish sign. But I took this trade, I had a TP, and I made 4K on a 200K funded account FTMO. And this because I stopped complexifying my trading. I had a really good conviction on the daily bias. As you can see right now, we had a bullish fair value gap that has been tapped 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th time we are touching this fair value gap. So I know that this fair value gap will not hold. And I had this swing low in target. So I have a huge conviction bearish on the daily time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you can see that price has created a bearish fair value gap right here with an expansion candle on the 3rd candle of the fair value gap. This is a really good bearish sign. When you see a breakaway gap like this, you don't want the price to retrace into it. So I had also a bearish conviction on the 4-hour time frame. And the thing is, before the realization, I wouldn't have taken this trade. I would have missed 4 bands profit because I was complexifying too much. I have a good conviction daily, fuck the 1 hour, okay? If you have 1, maybe 2 confluences bullish in front of 4, 5, even 6 bearish confluences, take the trade. This is a tip that I can give you. Mark out on a piece of paper, cross, bearish crosses and bullish crosses. Every time you have a confluences, mark out the cross, bearish or bullish. And if you have twice the confluences on the bullish time frame, take the trade. And don't put too much importance on the bearish confluences. If you have a really good conviction on your bullish bias, take the trade, guys. And that's my whole point of this video. Also, the second thing is, don't use too many concepts. This is another information that I wanted to share you, but I will make a longer video on my next YouTube video, but you can see with my trade here, I'm making good money. My hedge is really profitable on the long term, and I made 4 bands on this trade. And you can see that I am only using fair value gap. That's the only concept I'm using. And today, I'm pretty sure that you have too many information. And that's also a problem. Too many information, too many concepts. If right here you are using order block, breaker block, I don't know, Fibonacci, etc., AMD, wake off. If you have all those confluences to look for, I'm pretty sure 100% you will hesitate on all of your trades. And you will miss out incredible shorts like this. And even the day before, I took a huge short and all my guys inside the mentorship took it too. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, and I see you on the next one. It was Bruce. See you.